group number 6. In our team, we have Leon. Lamba, here we're going to make burger, fruit salad, and mango juice.
Mango juice. Okay.
First, we're going to make burger. Burger bun, slice of cheese, slice of pumpkin and tomato, onion, F1.
Okay. Okay. Mayo. Last but not least, onion. 2 slices of onion. Okay. 2 or 3, yeah, slices. 3, okay.
So this is our cheeseburger. Next we're going to make fruit salad.
Okay, next. Yeah. Dragon fruit. Mango. And apple. Okay. Oh, cheese and yogurt. First step. Step 1. Okay. Put the mayo, yogurt. Next step. Put the dragon fruit. Great. Put some cheese on top of the salad. Finish? Okay, good. Okay, good job. What are you going to do? You wanna tell us the ingredients or the step? Which one? The step, okay. Step 1.
Mango.
Okay, mango juice.
Milk. And ice.
Okay. It's so yummy. And water. Oh, put some mangoes. Finish. Okay, what is it called, Leon? What is the name?
Mango juice.
Okay, mango juice. Good job.
We have fruit
Yes.
salad,
Yes.
burger,
Burger.
and mango juice.
Okay, good job, everyone.